Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to get this pirated game online fix to work with Linux. Because recently I tried to play Schedule 1 and I had an issue and I ran into it, but I fixed it, of course. I just want to help people who also have the same issue. Basically what this is, it allows you to play multiplayer on a cracked pirated game that you would otherwise need Steam for. What this does is it uses, I'm sure people here who watch this have heard of the game called Space War. It uses Space War on Steam to sort of create a fake connection. Yeah, right here. Uses Space War right here as a fake connection to make people connect to the pirate game. The game that I'm going to be showing you how to do it for is Steam, as in, not Steam, as in Schedule 1. You right click, you set your location where the exe is. I did it in parentheses so that Linux won't complain about spaces in the title. Same with this one, put this where the directory is. And then in launch options, you want to put this. Make sure this is here, this is important, because that's how the game knows to use the online fix DLL that's in the folder. You would put that in launch options. That will be in the comments or the description. And the game should work and play just like as you would if you were to buy it. You can also play with people who have the pirated game as well, on Schedule 1 for example. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful.